Hey y'all, welcome back to eatsipkrave. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy fish fajita recipe. We're using minimal ingredients, but this is going to be so delicious. The recipe and instructions will be listed in the description box below. And if you're new or just love flavorful combinations, creative recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave me a comment down below. And without further ado, let's cook. Be sure to oil and season both sides of your meat with the salt and Ancho fajita seasoning. You'll need a smoking hot pan for this. I'm using my cast iron grill pan so that I can get some really nice grill marks on the fish. All we're going to do is let this sear on each side for about 1.5 to 2 minutes, and we'll pull it off the heat. We'll saute the vegetables after that until they get a little caramelization, not too much. Now, one thing I did do is add some vinegar to the vegetables to try to get that pita veggie feel that we typically like from Chipotle, but do be cautious if you are using cast iron. You don't want to put too much acid in your pan as they are not compatible. And that is really it. This was super delicious. I put this on some corn tortillas, but you can plate it up however you like. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. And if you do, please be sure to tag me here or on Instagram. I appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.